Hi viewers, this story is about a deer named Daria. Is a young graceful deer with soft brown fur, white black eyes, tall slender legs and white paw on her chest, who lived near the peaceful lake of a jungle. Daria's young graceful deer, he was fast, no doubt, but unlike other in her, she did not like to run away from every sound, shadow, a storm. One day, a terrible fire broke out in the far side of
In the
the
quiet of the
jungle.
jungle, when the first rays of morning sun filter through the leaves of the trees and fall on the ground, everything presents a magical scene. The air here has a unique freshness and the scent of life. My friends, today I'm going to tell you a story that is not just about a wild deer, but a wonderful example of friendship, empathy, and true bravery. This story teaches us who becomes a true friend and hero in difficult times. This is the story of Daria, a special deer. Daria, a young male deer whose shining brown fur was visible from afar. His large, round, black eyes held a strange innocence and understanding. His thin, long legs helped him run fast, and a white spot on his forehead and a white woolly patch on his chest were his distinguishing marks. Daria lived by the shore of a beautiful lake in Junglepur, where the morning light shimmered on the water's surface and birds made the environment even more charming with their sweet sounds. From childhood, Daria was different from others. When the other deer would run away in fear at the slightest sound, Daria would stop and observe everything carefully, trying to understand every sound and movement, and then thoughtfully decide what to do. This habit made him unique. One day, when the morning in Junglepur was especially bright and beautiful, a terrifying fire suddenly broke out on the western edge. The silence of the jungle instantly turned into screams and shouts. The fire spread like lightning with the strong winds, and in no time, smoke covered the entire jungle. Darkness and fear spread everywhere. Birds flew towards the sky to save their lives, monkeys jumped from tree to tree, and herds of deer ran quickly in fear. Everyone was shouting in unison, "Run! Save yourselves!" At that moment, everyone was only concerned with saving their own lives. But Daria stopped there. He heard a faint sound, like someone was calling for help. Even in that noise and smoke, his ears caught that sound, which perhaps no one else could hear. I wonder how much courage it takes to stop at a time when everyone else is running. Daria listened to his heart and decided that he would not leave without helping someone. Daria immediately ran towards the sound, with determination in his eyes and compassion in his heart. He knew it was dangerous to go near the fire, but helping someone was most important to him. There he saw a tiny fox cub, a slow tortoise, and two small squirrels trapped in a bush, with the fire rapidly approaching behind them. Fear and helplessness were clearly visible in the eyes of these innocent animals. All the other animals had left. No one came back. Everyone was busy saving their own lives, but Daria did not leave these innocent animals alone. But Daria, he strengthened his resolve and decided that no matter what happened, he would save them all. He put the fox cub on his back so it could easily run with him, held the squirrels gently in his mouth like a mother caring for her children, and pushed the tortoise with his antlers to move it away from the fire. He took full care of each animal's safety. The fire was very close. His legs started to burn, his eyes filled with smoke, and breathing became difficult. But Daria did not stop, did not fear, and did not run. He surprised everyone with his courage and spirit. When he reached the lake shore with everyone, the other animals looked at him in surprise. There was respect and wonder for him in everyone's eyes. Everyone was saying the same thing. He didn't run. He helped others without caring for his own life. And when the rescue team arrived, they took a picture. Daria was standing there with the babies whose lives he had saved. That moment taught everyone who a true hero is. This is true bravery, doing something for others without caring for your own life. True bravery is not in running away, but in stopping and doing something for others. The one who stands up for others in difficult times is the real hero. The one who puts themselves in danger for others is the real hero. Daria taught us that empathy and bravery never go to waste. And the one who can hear the silent cries of the heart is truly alive inside. Daria not only saved the lives of animals, but also made a place in everyone's hearts. This was Daria's story. A deer like a diamond, who even today is a symbol of bravery and friendship in Junglepur. If you liked this story, please like and subscribe, and remember this lesson. A true hero is someone who does something for others.